students, today we are going to learn algebraic expression. Okay, in that first we'll see variable and coefficient. Variable and coefficient. Now what do you mean by variable? A symbol which do not have fixed value are called variable, and the quantity which is having a fixed numerical value are called coefficients. Okay, now suppose we'll take one example here, 3x. 3x is one expression. Here in this 3x expression, x do not have any fixed value, so it is called variable, and 3 is having fixed numerical value, so it is a coefficient. Okay, now next term we'll see term. What do you mean by term? Okay, now in the expression having only multiplication is only one operation. In the expression only multiplication is only one operation, then that expression is called term. So 3x is a term because here multiplication is only one operation. 3 multiplied by x. Okay, so 3x is called term, and 3 is the coefficient and x is the variable. Now one more example we'll see. 2p square q. 2p square q. Here which is the variable? Variable is p square q, which is the variable, and coefficient is 2. Okay, now negative 2 upon 3 xy. Here variable xy, x and y, these two are the variables, and coefficient is negative 2 upon 3. Okay, now next explain it x. Now here which is the variable? X is the variable. Okay, and which is the coefficient? Here no coefficient, means 1 is the coefficient. Okay, 1 is the coefficient. Got it? Now next we'll see like terms and unlike terms. Okay, now first we'll see now like terms. Like terms means what? In the expression which have same equal variables and with the same power. Expression which have same variable with the same power are called like terms. Now see, for example, 2xy minus 3xy 4xy. Here 3 expressions are given. Here you can see the variables xy, same variable, and their power also 1 power. So it is a like term. One more example we will see of like term. Negative 2 upon 3 p square q, then 5q p square 6 p square q. Now here we can see 3 expressions are given. Here also variables are pq, and p is having how many? What is the power of p? 2. Here also 2 power. Here also 2. Here also 2. Here q 1 power. Q 1 power. Q 1 power. So these expressions are, or these terms are said like terms. Okay, got it? Now next is the unlike terms. Unlike terms means what? The expressions or the terms which do not have the same variables and powers. For example, here 3 expressions are given. Here their variables are x. Here also x, but powers are different. Here x square, here x. Y also here square, power is 2, here 1, here 1. So these all are the, what we can say, unlike terms. Okay, one more example of unlike terms we'll see. negative AB, then A square B, then 3AB square. Again 3 terms are there. Here also AB is given. Okay. Variables are same but their powers are not same. Okay. Or one more example we'll see. 3xy, then 2ab. Like this also. Here powers are one power, all the variables, but variables are different. So they are said unlike terms. Okay, got it? Like terms and unlike terms. Now next we'll see that these expressions are classified into different types, and they are classified according to their terms. Okay, if the term is 1 in the expression, if the one term is there, then that expression is said monomial. If the 2 terms are there, then it is called binomial. If in the expression 3 terms are there, then it is trinomial. And if in the expression more than 3 terms are there, then that expression is said polynomial. Okay, now we'll see with the example. Monomial. See the examples of monomial. These are the examples. Only one term, multiplication you can see, only one term is there. So it is a monomial. Binomial. Binomial means what? Having 2 terms. 3x plus 2y or 4 upon 2 minus 3xy square. Okay, 2 terms here. This is one term, this is another term. 2 terms are there. Here also one term, second term, 2 terms are there. So it is called a binomial. Then trinomial means having 3 terms. See, 4xy plus 2x minus 3. 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So it is called trinomial. Okay. One more example we'll say about trinomial. That is 9ab plus 6a square minus ab. Like this. 3 terms are there. So it is called trinomial. Okay. Now next one, last we'll see polynomial. Polynomial means what? The expression having more than 3 terms. See, here I will write 2x square plus 6xy plus 7x square y plus 7. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms we can see. But polynomial means what? Having more than 3 terms, means 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms, like this. Okay, it's called a polynomial. One more example of polynomial we'll see. 5p square plus 2p minus 2 upon 3 pq plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. So it is called polynomial. Got it? So students, this is about algebraic expression, and this is very important basic of algebraic expression. What? Term, variable and coefficient. Term means what? A symbol which do not have a fixed value. Coefficient means what? Quantity which is having a fixed numerical value. Term means what? Term means the expression which is having only one operation, that is multiplication operation, which is called term. And this term also different 2 types, like terms and unlike terms. Like terms means what? Having the terms which have same variable with a same power. And unlike terms means what? A different variable with a different power. Okay, and this expression is classified according to the terms. If one term is there in the expression, it is monomial. 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial, and 4 terms it is called polynomial. Okay, got it?